I'm Ethan Kwan, and today I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be telling you about how to do stuff in binary. And this is a binary adder that I invented, but I'm just going to use this today to show you what binary is. So, as you might know, binary is the language that computers use to, transmit data and stuff. You might also know that binary is only made up of 1, 0, and 1, 1. Here, I'll show you a strip. Here's a strip. It's only made up of a 0 and a 1. Well, actually, there's this thing, but you don't have to worry about that until later. Okay, so it's only made up of 1s and 0s. And this little red thing. Let's put that back. Okay, so binary consists of 0s and 1s, like you heard, and each 0 or 1, 0 means off and 1 means on. And if a number is on, you add that number to the other numbers. Here, let me explain. So this is a 1, and this is a 2, and this is a 4, and 8, and 16. So let's say you wanted to represent 3. Now, 3 isn't on the system. It jumps from 1, 2 to 4. There's no 3. How do you represent a 3? Well, here we go. So we go to the lowest number before 3, which is that one, and you turn that into a 1. So that's 2. 2 plus what is 3? 1. And 1 is right here. So you, wrong way. Okay, wrong. Okay, get in there. Okay. So it's 1 and 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. And that's how you represent 3. Now, here's a harder one. Let's try and represent. Let's try and represent, I don't know, 29 or 35, let's say. So 35, what you do is 35, the lowest number is 32. 32. 35 is 32. So 32 plus what equals 35? Well, 35 plus 3 equals 35. But there's no 3 here. So you first look at the number here, 32. 32 is not 35, and it's lower than 35. Oops, sorry. Lower than 35. And so that means that you have to add more. So 1 and 2 equals 3. So 3 plus 32 would be 35. Okay, so this is the representation of 35 in binary. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Now let's try and represent a high number. For example, let's say 300, let's say. Let's just try and represent 300. That's 256. This guy. 256. 256 is 44. So there are 44 left. 44 is not a number here, so it's going to be 32. 44 minus 32. 44 minus 32 is 12. 12, 8. Here's 8. 8. So 12 minus 8 is 4, and there's a 4 right here. Oh, not those. Damn it. This calculator always doesn't work. So here's 300 in binary. 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 0. Okay, so this is pretty complicated, you might be saying, but it's actually pretty easy to think about it. It's pretty easy, right? Okay, anyway, so one last one. I'm just gonna push these back up so they all are zeros again. 0, 0, 0, 0, grr. 0, 0. Okay. Now let's say you get this, but you want to add in binary. Well, this is just an adding machine. Okay, so let's say you want to add 4 plus 5. So 4 would be that, and 5 would be, well, this is just 1, so each one has just 1s on it. So 5 is equal to 1 plus 4, or of course you can try and build a machine like mine if you want. Okay, so 1, you still have 4 left, so you just gotta put 4 here. Okay, 5 is 101, right? And 4 is just 100. Okay, so what's 4 plus 5? You might already know, 9. That's pretty easy, but now what we do is 0 plus 1, like this. So 0 plus 1 is, you go from right to left, which is kind of strange. But 0 plus 1 is 1, so you'd actually do that. 0 plus 0 is 0, so you just leave that like that. 1 plus 1 is 2. There's no 2 on here. So what you would do is just pull this down 1. Pull this down, come on, and you get a carry operation. So I just revealed what this is, but this is a carry operation, which means that this is too big to fit on here. Now, so if you get the carry operation, you would increase this by 1 and turn this into a 0. A 0, come on. Okay, there we go. So this is the representation of 9 on this because it's 8 plus 1. Now let me just reset this. Now, if you want to make one of these, it's pretty easy to make. But remember, not all of them can be carried. So, for example, let's just push all of them down. So they're all 1s. Push all of them in like that. Okay, so now we have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, or the highest number, which is, and you can do the math, but you can pause if you want, if you don't want the answer. Okay, the highest number you can go is 16,383. Now this is 16,383. So let me get rid of that. Okay, so now let's say you want to add 1. So you'd put 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, so you would actually put the carry operation. Carry. And 1 plus 1 is 2 again, so we do the carry operation. Why isn't this working? And then lastly, 1 plus 1 is 2. And if you ever get an X while you're doing this, you have made a mistake. And that means that this operation is too big for the calculator to do. Got it? Okay. Let me just push everything back up. Okay, so that is how you add and subtract, and you can actually make a subtracting calculator if you want. So adding, subtracting, go ahead. And this is how you add in binary, what binary is, and well, that's kind of it. That's the end of the video. Cool. Thanks for watching. If you haven't known, I have a website called howtodostufwithethan.com. You can go check that out. Also, if you like this video, please subscribe and share with other friends, and if you liked it. And if you liked it, please click the thumbs up, the like button. And And of course, if you liked my channel, well, after viewing my other videos, please subscribe. If you're wondering about my thank you video, it's coming out. Don't worry. Yeah, it's not really coming out. I'll try to work on it. Also, okay, so see you at howtodostuffwithethan.com, and see you next time. Bye.